sugar also. Sugar was also a chronic disease. Every time, he was restricted to eat things. And Healy is really, I would like to, I'm very thankful to, my this team as well as Healy. Healy has blessed my husband to eat whatever he wants to eat. And then see, once when we think that, we can't eat anything, a person who is healthy also becomes sick. That's what I feel. So when he was allowed to eat whatever he want, he was healed half of all of his, minus things, whatever was there in his life. So now with Healy, he has stopped the medicine of diabetes, which he was taking from 30 to 35 years. And after that, we have reduced the medicine of BP. Like BP and sugar is a common thing they call nowadays. It's not common. It's very dangerous. And we are very happy to, I don't have sometimes words what to say. And this magic has happened in my house. And after that, for the kidney issue, creatinine issue also, the Healy is helping a lot. The protein which was going out in the urine, which is not supposed to be. Of course, I don't have much knowledge about all these things. I'm learning with my husband's this thing only profile. So now that has also reduced. And main thing, he sleeps so well. Whenever he is sleeping, he's having, jabardast need. He gets up fresh. Even the constipation or whatever, digestive system has improved. A lot of things, small things which we get used to when a person is chronic with these type of diseases. And everywhere we go, same thing is, ये तो common है, सबके घर में है sugar BP. नहीं, sugar BP जो है वो, it spoils the other parts on the body when we are chronic to these diseases and carry on taking the allopathy medicines. That is what we did for 35 years. But from 4 months only, I'm using the Healy, and Healy is showing tremendous results to me. And definitely, Sanjay ji, Rekha ji, and Ashwini ji are guiding me, and my husband, who is walking with the help of a stick.
Welcome everyone to the demo session. You might be thinking, chal kya raha hai? I mean, are we into the demo session or is it something, a testimony night going on? So, welcome guys to the English demo session of a frequency healing therapy. And we are going to talk today about the entire system, the entire techniques which we use using frequency healing into your life. How does it work? How does it work at your mind level? How does it work at your body level, each and every organ level? And how even your soul purpose we can uncover? Is it so? It is. And what if I tell you that right now, whatever you are thinking, I can actually take it out in the report, whether it is painful, whether it is some secretive story or some insecurities, something deep down, unprocessed trauma, everything. The intention is why we are taking out that report, not just to identify, but to heal it. So, all of you guys, if you are here today, I welcome you all. And just one thing before we start, just keep a small prayer that whatever intention with which you have joined this meeting, just let's pray to God that all your goals, all your intention, whether it is for your good health, whether it is for your a beautiful life, whether it is abundance, whether it is money flowing in, whether it is just having peace in life or getting it normalized, every day waking up with a beautiful heart and serving the world, it could be anything. God, this session would actually give you that. With that intention, we get it started. Welcome, everyone. And I am Lena Joy, a certified life coach, a Ho'oponopono healer. And today, I'm also a quantum healing expert. I have my own company called Live It Up. 3 years back, something came into my life, something really beautiful, and that was Healy. So this came into my life in 3 years back, and I was like in a position to ये मेरे लिए है, literally, do I need this in my life? So much of skepticism, and I was not able to believe that a technology is needed in terms of aligning the mind, body, and soul. I can truly tell you it was a prayer answered for me. Being a life coach, I always wanted that something, कुछ तो जीनी ऐसा मिल जाए कि लोगों के अंदर स्क्रू में जाकर स्क्रू वो निकाल कर I can check where is the blockage and I can help to clean it. And with that prayer in my heart, I literally manifested it. So God told me, Lele Genie. And Genie aa gaya. And that's the Genie which we are going to talk about. Today, I'm not joking. The one which we am going to show you, it's completely based on what you have desired in your life. Today, all of you guys, I'm going to see you who are on video. So I could see Aradhana. Hi, Aradhana from Kolkata. Akshay, Deepa, Krishna. We are talking about energy. We are talking about vibration. We are talking about frequency. You cannot hide. You cannot hide behind the screen. I want to see you. All of you guys, just have a beautiful smile on your face. Take a deep breath and have a pure intention that whatever you are going to hear from me today in next 1 hour, it will give you some message in your life to lead it beautifully in 2025. I love you guys. We are going to share now the entire concept of frequency healing. Today, everyone who are here, I just assume that you have attended the science behind it. You understand what is quantum entanglement. You understand what is bioenergetic field. You understand what is microcurrent, how exactly we work on the science of quantum entanglement. Now, what you see in my hand is basically Healy. You can see in my hand too, like a watch, which I'm wearing it right now while I'm talking to you. I'm using it for my physical healing. And the one which I'm wearing, like a Mangal Sutra in my neck, I am using it for my emotional healing. So anything which you manifest in your physical healing stays in your emotional body for quite some time. Now, what are we doing with this? There is a quantum sensor at the back of it, right? And when I'm holding it in my hand, it is reading my mind, body, and soul. Now, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how do we capture the prana. If you don't understand what is quantum entanglement, if you don't understand how exactly it captures the prana, there is a video on understanding the complete science of it. So today this demo is for the people. I'm assuming that you understand it, you have seen the presentation, you know what is quantum entanglement. And just to give you a summary, quantum entanglement, like two pieces when they are connected with each other, how far you can take it across. I am in the planet Moon, you can be on planet Earth. I am in planet Earth, you can be on planet Moon. I can still heal you. How does it work? 2022, the Nobel Prize in Physics was given to quantum entanglement. And there is a lot of white papers which has been written by Marcus Mieke. We are talking about a technology which is from Germany. The founder and inventor is Marcus Mieke. It has got more than 10 patents and gone across to 57 countries, right? Now, quantum entanglement works on the science of, you might have heard like two twins, one has a fall in the bathroom, one had a fall in on the road. How does it happen? Quantum entanglement. A mom and a child, before even the child opens the mouth, whether the cry is for the sleep or whether the cry is for hunger, the mother understands it. Quantum entanglement. A monk in Himalayas sitting in that chilled weather, 0 degree, -degree, almost naked in a dhoti. How does he sit there? Because mentally he has taken his mind to a hotter region and physically he's sitting in that colder region. As a human being, God has gifted us so much of power that through our mind, we can take our body. Like that means Lena right now can be available in two different places. And that's quantum entanglement. Based on this science, it has been completely proven. And based on that science, we are going to capture the prana. Healy has a quantum sensor at the back of it. And when I'm holding it in my hand, it is sensing my body. That means it is sensing my mind, it is sensing my body, it is sensing my prana and also the karmic connections. Now, how exactly it works and what is prana? In Ayurveda, we call it prana. In Chinese, we call it chi energy. I'm just giving you a summary so that you guys don't get lost what is happening. Okay, people who have not gone for the presentation also, you should be able to understand it when you watch this video. Now, prana's significance is aligning the mind, body, and soul. That means what we are thinking, what we are speaking, and what our soul is craving for, it has to be connected. That's prana. Whenever there is a disruption in the prana, that's where we actually attract challenges in our life, whether it is health, whether it is relationship, whether it is money. These challenges only come into our life when there is a disruption in the prana. Whenever there is a disruption in the prana, there are a lot of books which has been written, there is a lot of authors, scientists who have worked on it, and it has been called it out that based on the research, that the prana flow disruption happens when there is an emotional turbulence. Whenever there is an emotional turbulence, the cells get distracted. That means the vibration of the cell starts vibrating in a low frequency. What does Healy do? Healy works to correct your prana. Healy works to correct your organ level. That means your emotional turbulence, bringing it to normalize. And also, Healy works also at your cell level where the vibration has gone down. Imagine there is something known as like a software. Okay, right now you are using laptop, and in laptop you have got files. You might be storing files in your laptop. Your laptop storage can get overloaded. Where do your files go in? Into the cloud. Now imagine that analogy. Okay, I'm just trying to make you understand, because when I get into the demo, you should be able to relate the terms of bioenergetic field and information field. What is Healy doing? Healy is cleansing the bioenergetic field. Healy is harmonizing the bioenergetic field and cleansing the information field. Now, what is bioenergetic field and information field? Imagine your laptop save the files on your phone itself. Okay, now when the storage space is over, where it goes in, you buy the cloud space. That means whatever you are doing in your mobile, your files which are getting saved, it also getting auto synergized with the cloud. Even if you are outside, your laptop is not with you, your mobile is not with you, you can still access the data from the cloud, right, wherever you are. Exactly in the same manner, God has created something which is known as the information field. The information field is like a cloud with the storage, which has the soul information. Okay. And what is bioenergetic field? The bioenergetic field is the 7 chakras, the energy centers in a body, which they go through and or has an impact on our energy field, which is surrounded by us. You see a magnet, magnet has a magnetic field. It pulls, it attracts. Can you see the energy around the magnet? But do you believe there is a magnetic field? Exactly in the same manner, our body has an bioenergetic field which gets influenced by our thoughts, by our words, by our emotions, by our chakras, and all that emotional traumas which we have gone in. Clear? Now, what we are going to show you, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you how Healy works to harmonize your bioenergetic field, how Healy works to cleanse your information field. Okay, so let's do it. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Healy works on 3 levels. One is your emotional body, one is your physical body, and one is your spiritual body. Now, all these 3 areas has different set of frequency programs. So I'm going to show you how these frequency programs work. Now, I am doing it really fast because I don't want to extend this call. Exactly 10 o'clock, I'm going to end it. Now, 10 o'clock, your time starts to ask me questions. Anything which is popping up in your mind, I know it is very, very new concept. You will have questions. Okay, do me a favor, just write down your questions, keep it aside. I will take all your questions. 10 o'clock, I'll open it up. How much ever I'm able to finish, I'm going to finish at 10. 10 is the deadline. Okay, so I will be going fast. Now, what I'm going to do, 3 apps, one of the app which I'm going to share my screen, and I feel Rajendra has helped me to make me a co-host. Rajendra is a co-leader who is helping me out, the executive director from Bangalore. Okay, so you can see my screen. Focus on my screen. Okay, no other focus. focus on my screen. I don't want your focus to go anywhere else. Yeah. So now what is it that I'm going to showing you here? This is the screen of the emotional field healing. Your emotional laundry, what is there, we are going to heal it. Now how to do that? We are going to capture the prana of the person. I have already captured few pranas, but I'm going to show you when you capture it, how does it work. When you capture it, Healy is asking you whether you want to capture the prana of an human being, animal, plant, organization, building, vehicle, group. What does it mean? It means that even in your organization, in your building, in the space where you are, if there is any negative energy in any corner of the room, it would be identified and cleansed. Even for animal, we have frequency. Even for plant, we have frequency. Right now, I can say person. Okay. So when you are saying person, what will happen? You will do first name, you will give the details, first name, last name, details, and we are going to capture the prana. While you capture the prana, if the individual is with you, you will make the individual hold the healing. Why? Because the quantum sensor has to sense the human body, right? Now, if the human is not with you, we teach you how to mirror the vibration. We can also do mirroring just by coming online, and how to mirror the vibration is a separate training which we are going to teach you once you are part of the training. Yeah, once you are part of the community. Now, right now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to capture anybody's prana here live, because the reports are very, very personal, and we don't want to share it in public. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out one of the client of mine who I have the permission. Number one thing, the person has to give permission, right? What does it mean? The person has to literally call it out that I am completely trusting and surrendering and allowing the Healy to capture my information field today through Lena, right? And that's the surrendering and the trust and the permission which we require before we get into or tap into anybody's energy field. I have already got the permission from my client. So what I'm going to do, the profile is already captured. If you see, can you see the ECG sign? That's the vibration, that's the prana, which takes less than a minute to capture it. Right now, the person who has invited you, make sure you connect with that person, and they will be able to capture your prana and give you your report. Now all the details I have filled it in. Now what is it that I'm going to do? I'm going to directly run into and show you the kind of programs which we have in Healy Blue app, that is a Blue Advisor app, which is usually used for emotional healing. Now, all these programs which you are seeing the list, what are these? The defense program, I can right now run on the person whom I've captured the prana and check whether there is any kind of negative energy. What do you mean by that? Any black magic, evil eye, geopathy impact, radiation impact, any vastu impact. If anything is there, it will be identified and reflected in the report. Not just that, it will be healed as well. Exactly in the same manner, Harmony 1, Harmony 2 calls out your organ level, anything related to gastrointestinal, nervous system, your support system, what is your connection with the cosmic energy? It is more of spiritual alignment. Your chakras, your cell wave chakras, all the 7 energy points in your body, whether they are aligned and activated. Anything deep psychology, deep suppressed emotions, nutrition, I can check right now what is the nutritional level in our body if there is any deficiency. Mental balance, meridian 1, meridian 2, we can check your organ level, any extreme tension. Power of 3, kapha, pitta, vata, doshas. Soul cycle, is your soul craving for something? Is there any pain? Are you sleeping properly? How is your skin? Everything, a report can be generated. Right now, what I'm going to do is, we don't have so much of time. I'm going to run one report, and that would be basically calling it out what are the attention areas in your body right now. So top 5 attention areas in your body right now from that list of 300. Okay, so we don't want to go to each one. Imagine such beautiful genie in your hand. Every day morning you get up and you just switch it on and tell me, what is it that I need today? Do I need fitness? Do I need nutrition? Do I need any emotional baggage removal? Do I need, ah, that's it. The life is sorted. I mean, can you actually normalize your life in such an extent? And that's what happens. That's what happens in a Healy frequency. You can see the percentages what's coming up. The well-being program is showing up 61. It's quite high. Let me tell you, if it is 59, 60 above, it's a matter of concern. It's a matter of concern. Above 70, we usually say to have a consultation with the doctor as well. Now, 20 to 30 is considered to be an ideal state. 30 to 40, being in a polluted world where we are, you can literally feel that it's okay for an adult. 40 to 50, take care. Up, above 50, alarm, needs to do something about it. And above 70, you better take care. You need an expert to work on. Now 61 is quite high. This person needs to run vibration. Now what exactly Harmony One? Gold cycle is a detox cycle, deep cycle edge. Now if I want to know what do you mean by bioenergetic Harmony One, what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for bioenergetic Harmony One and understand, go to the next layer and see the report, what's coming up in bioenergetic Harmony One. Every day morning, this is the work you need to do. It's so much simpler. Now what is trying to show me in what are the areas which needs harmonization? And I can tell you, this girl and is basically around 18 years, my daughter's age, and today morning she complained to me that she is not having a periods from last 2 months, and she is getting all boils and acne on her face, and I was suggesting her to use Healy. And just see that the first program which is coming is matured women. I mean, I just can't tell you the way it works. And the sensitivity, nerve harmony, though the percentages are not very high, but Healy understands right now there are hormonal changes in the body and which actually has to take care. How does Healy work? What will Healy do? Healy, there is something known as uh, 27 minutes, 5 seconds, 499 hertz. These are the Tesla numbers which has been experimented, and it has been noticed that when we run this 27 minutes for for one time, one dosage or two dosage based on the time what you have, and 38 seconds 7 times is considered as a dosage which will help this person to harmonize, which will help this person to purify the toxins which are accumulated in the body, which will clean up, right? And that's what is happening right now for our body. It doesn't matter whether she is with me or not. It doesn't matter whether Healy is with that person or not. But what matters is what is the intention I carry when I'm holding Healy. Your intention, your thoughts, your deepest goal, what you want for this person, that should be channelized. That's all. Nothing more is required. You click on it and you do your work. Then let the person get healed. Okay, I'm going to stop it. I'm just showing you what is possibility through the emotional healing. I'll take all your questions at the end. Now, one by one, we do all this healing. I'm going to directly jump upon the emotional baggage removal. Anything we do in life, whether it is, how many of you understand here, back flowers? Batch flowers, back flowers, whatever we call it. How many of you understand the back flowers? Now, this is something, all the emotional traumas, which either suppressed emotions, you're not able to express, or there is something deep within which you have hidden. Now, if I'll just do a buck flower therapy every day, every day, every day, 127 minute, a mantra for you to live a beautiful life. I'm telling you, I have experienced it from last 3 years. Like I take bath and come out and we do diya, we light a diya or we do some kind of ritual. Please put this in your ritual. One bath flower therapy, one aura therapy, one detox. It will like completely you are aligned. That's alignment. That's vibration. Now you can see the negative words which has been written, but let me tell you, it doesn't mean that that person is negative. It just means there is some phase of your life from childhood where you have gone through a certain emotion which was quite intense or which was quite prolonged. If any emotion which was very prolonged, it's still creating a blockage in your body. It might be that you might be thinking that, "Arey ho gaya yaar, I've come out of that pain." But no, sadness, and you can see desperation from the challenges of life and resulting over perfection. I feel this is a problem within everyone. What I will do, I'm not going to read it to absorb that negativity. I understand. First step is being aware. When you are aware that what are the blockages in your body and what you need to come out, if you know this clarity, once just read it, because when the frequency is running, you know what is the frequency running it for. And when the frequency is running, what is it doing? It's channelizing the energy of that affirmation which is written on the report. The joy of life and cheerfulness, even on challenging days, is strengthened. Can you see? I mean, can I get a frequency of all that life which throws at me? I know how to align it. I know how to go through it gracefully. That's what God just show me. God don't avoid the challenges. I know challenges cannot be avoided, but please give me that peace. Please give me that strength that I can go through the challenges of life gracefully. And that's what Healy does. You might be feeling you have come out of the blockage. Leena, I am done, Leena. I have done healing, Leena. But let me tell you that it's not possible. There are 44 karmic lessons which every soul has to learn it. In the exactly in the same manner, if you go through Sizzler Salt, how many of you know that the healers out in the world, with your birth date and with your birthplace, they will be able to tell you which salt is required for your well-being? And beautifully, we actually asked one of the astrologers, so one of the astrologers, he did that calculation with the birth date and birthplace, and we made Healy to do that calculation. The calculation with the person did, it required 1 hour. Healy did that calculation in less than a minute, and both the reports were exactly the same. Now if you see here, the first thing which is coming up, indecisiveness and weakness of will. Now, where exactly this energy is connected to? The emotion of indecisiveness, where exactly is connected in the body, our organ level? It has impacted the joints, the connective tissues, the cartilage. Are you able to read the last line? The last line of the desired state description. Just read that. Okay. Now, what I'm showing you some phase of the life where this person has gone through insecurity, has actually caused an impact on the physical body. Any emotional traumas, any disharmony in the emotional body, it actually impacts the physical body. Insecurity, muscle, blood, nerves. Now fear and panic, where it is impacted, the nerves and the muscles. Read the last line. Now, impatience and conflict, where it is impacted, the information field of the immune system. Can you see the fear of loss and materialism, where it is impacted, the reproductive organ and the pineal gland? What we are going to do? We are going to sit and chant, oh my God, my life has so much emotional baggage. No, we will just go here, click on vibrate. That's all simple. Come out of it. Come, the lesson which you have to learn it. उतना ही है ना. These emotional traumas, we have to learn a lesson. We will learn it. How? By healing it. When you heal it, it will create certain neuro paths in your mind so that you think differently, you feel differently, you act differently. And that's where you cut the cord of entanglement, you cut the cord of karmic connection. Today, it is very important for me as a mother. When I understand, my ancestors didn't understand this, my parents didn't understood this, but today as a mother, if I understand that how important it is to cut the cord of entanglement so that my karmic lesson, my child should not get it, and for that I will heal myself. It's not important that I will give some property or money or how much money I'm leaving for my child, but it's important that what karmic karmas I am leaving for my child, and that will be healed so that my child has a beautiful life. And that's where this emotional trauma comes up. We will heal your emotional baggage every day, every day, every day. It is will be beautiful to run it at night. When you sleep at night, your subconscious is active and your conscious is sleeping. So what will happen? Your conscious will not interfere. Yeah, the subconscious mind can be rewired using the emotional baggage removal. There are so many programs I can tell you. I Ching program, oh my god, beautiful program. One of my client, she ran this program and she got a one liner in that. She was not able to understand anything from that report, but one liner came in that report which showed that you will be getting into some lawyer case or something related to authorities of the police will catch you or something related to that. And she was just surprised that nothing like this has happened in her life. The next day, she was in the car driving. She just took her phone. The phone rang. She took her phone to talk. At that moment, the traffic police caught her and she was penalized, and she had to go through multiple shuttling to actually to settle it down. And then she realized that I Ching report has already told her. Oh my god, she has become a big fan of I Ching. You will not be able to understand what exactly each letter means. This hexagram is the evolution of. Are you able to understand anything? Even I didn't. But what you can do is you can download the report. There is a provision to download the report. Download the report, put it in Chat GPT. Use Chat GPTs, everyone. Download the report, put it in Chat GPT. Chat GPT will explain you what exactly each line means. And beautiful way Chat GPT will explain you. Just download this report and put it. And that's what she does. And the oh my god, when you understand, sometimes it is like much ahead. Healy will come to know what's going to happen in your life, and that will happen later in your physical body. Now, okay, I'm going to jump on the aura. So much to cover. Now, aura is all your 7 chakras, your auric field. Your chakras have an influence on your auric field. It's like 3 meter diameter, 10 feet height. Your auric field will have the power to influence. Or the people who are standing next to you in 3 meter diameter could feel your aura. Okay. Now, anything which is above, you can see all the chakras are quite high. If you see 80% and above, it is beautiful. Anything 80% and above, it is beautiful. Okay. You can see the energy of this person is 92%. Okay. Overall energy. The crown chakra, high, 97%. No wonder she stays with me. So I know her chakra levels are very high. Okay, third eye chakra high, 93%, but there is little rigidity. What do you mean by the rigidity? It's all result. It's all kept here, and once you have Healy with you, you will be able to understand why that energy is rigid. Your like energy is like a straight line. Yeah, very stubbornness. Throat chakra high, but somewhere there is jiddipana, stubbornness. Heart chakra, oh my god, 98%. Solar plexus, 84 with little chaos. When I say chaos, it's jumping. Your energy is like fluctuating. Sacral, you understand all the chakras. Chaos, root chakra, 98, quite high. Now, if your root chakra and your third eye chakra is aligned, if your root chakra and third eye is above 90%, money will never be an issue in your life. Okay, the person who is here, the money is never an issue in her life because I am the provider. Okay, so she will never ever have till her last breath. The money will not be an issue in her life because I am taking care of her. She is taking care of me. Now, if you see, continue. Now, whether the money is flowing in from you or whether the money is flowing in from somewhere, you are attracting it. It shouldn't be the case that मुझे तो यहीं से चाहिए, या मुझे यहीं से चाहिए, मुझे प्यार यहीं से चाहिए, मुझे पैसा यहीं से चाहिए, मुझे हीलिंग यहीं से चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so all of you guys right now, okay, follow me, follow me, follow me. All of you guys, take your hand, take your hand, and say that I will attract all the healing. I will attract healing from here. I will attract love from here. I will attract money from here. I will attract money from here also. I will attract money from here also. I will attract healing from here also. I will attract from everywhere. Okay, can we all do that? Fantastic. I'm just cleaning your limiting belief. Okay, now, can you see the first statement which coming up? Now, it actually calls out your sexuality level as well. What is your performance in your sexuality level? What is your relationship with your partner? Is it something which you're suppressing it? All the women out here, all the married couples out here. Now, please take it seriously, right? It's not a matter of conflict and it is impacting your sex life. If it impacts your sex life, your sacral chakra gets impacted. All the words over there, LM, CD. LM is spiritual, C is mental and emotional, D is physical. Now, how to read this? It is quite personal. How to read this? We are going to give you training. Okay. Now, if you see anywhere minus, that means it is subconscious. What is the reason why the third eye chakra, there was little fluctuating? The third eye chakra fluctuating, the person has learned to reduce themselves through sexuality or eroticism. Third eye is about yin yang consciousness. Due to a lack of individual consciousness, the woman feels hurt and insecure in a role as a woman. Okay. Now, minus 78. Minus 78 means something in the subconscious. That means it is deep rooted and it will take time to come out. Now, if you see throat chakra, the person seeks communication with spirituality in the outside, not in the inner being. Spirituality is something someone from outside will make me, teach me. Someone from outside will heal me. It's more about getting connected to your inner self. Minus 78, again, it is deep rooted. Now, will I go and uh, actually read each and everything and feel depressed about it? No, it is just for your awareness where you need subconscious healing. What is it karmically connected? The number which is connected next to LM, it shows whether it is ancestors related, whether it is parental karma related, whether it is flowing in from your parents. eh, Even your ancestors, if they are not liberated, it will still be showing up in your DNA. We are born with lot of blockages. It is not your fault. It is something which by birth you're carrying it in your DNA, and we can cut the cord of that entanglement as well with healing. And I usually tell all my people in my community, please run aura every day, every day, every day. Why? Because there is a field of ours, right? Our auric field. Now, certain days we are very high, certain days we are low. When you are low and you step out of the house and you meet somebody with a negative energy, you read some stories, you meet some illness, you see some illness at home, what happens? Your auric field gets blocked, right? What we do? We run the aura and we cleanse it. That's all. I can promise you guys, if we can understand these concept of healing, your life would be flourishing like anything, right? Okay, so I'm going to go fast. Now connect with the person who has invited you. Whoever has invited you here today, promise me that you will connect with that person soon after this meeting or tomorrow. Okay, promise me that. अगर प्रॉमिस बोला और किया नहीं ना, कार्मिक है भैया. Everything is karmic, remember that. Okay, now we are going to go to coach. This is for every coaches out here. It is like a blessing. Now, earlier when I used to tell my clients that बोलो क्या चाहिए, बोलते ही नहीं थे, पता ही नहीं था. Now if I tell you, there are inbuilt affirmations. Okay, now उतना भी दिमाग मत लगाओ. Don't even give stress on your mind even for that कि what I need now. Maybe right now you might need to evolve rather than solve. You might be thinking, let me solve the problem. But you know what God is saying? Please evolve. Solving अपने आप हो जाएगा. Now, either you can choose the affirmations from this list or you can just write now. If you have an affirmations what you want to manifest in your life, we call this manifestation module. I am happy and grateful that my body is so healthy, aligned. I'm able to have such a beautiful diet, I'm able to follow such a beautiful life. Now, that could be, or I'm happy and grateful that money is flowing to me easily, effortlessly, consistently, and the money which flows to me benefits the society. It could be anything which you are aligned with emotions. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, let's do now. NOW. Batao. Tell me, God, what I need. Where should I focus on? Now, all it starts with orange, yellow, light green, dark green. Okay, orange is the lowest. Now, while Healy is telling you your social relationship, you are not very good, or you can take it as your social relationship you need to focus on. Maybe other areas, family relationship and career, the focus is there, you are working on it. Now Healy is saying, please focus on social relationship. Automatically, your finance will improve, your emotional balance will improve, your self-worth will improve. Let's say I will also use finance. Okay. What does Healy do? Healy will analyze and tell me where exactly you need to take responsibility, where exactly you need to focus, where is your profession, what is your self-love factor, what is your personal integrity, what is your self-esteem. Based on all that analysis, what Healy will do? Healy will give you affirmations. Now, these affirmations, if you can just put it in a book, copy it in a book, and chant 108 times every day, every day, every day. You don't need Healy. Healy का जरूरत ही नहीं है. But tell me something. Will you actually do it? Can you actually identify the affirmations? Every day a new affirmations for a body. Every day a new cleansing for a body. Because what we are breathing, what we are eating, what the conflicts, the emotional traumas, how we are responding, everything creates toxins in our body. And based on that, Healy gives you affirmation. We don't have so much of caliber here. We need somebody to work with us. We will take one step. Healy will take 10 steps with us. How beautiful life could be. And that's how co-authoring works. That's how manifestation works. Manifestation works. You take one step and universe says, I will take 10 steps with you. Don't worry about how you will reach there. Just take that first step. I will complete it. Take that first step of healing and you will be able to reach your goal. Okay, we do this for 21 days. Every day, every day, every day. I challenge you guys. 21 days, same affirmation, same channel. You will channelize the frequency and the words and the affirmations into each and every cell of your body. Damn, how it will not get fulfilled. I mean, वो वैसे ही नहीं बैठा है उधर. Energy say he works with energy. And what are we doing? We are creating that energy. We are amplifying that energy. We can't fight with energy. Okay, now I'm going to show you the pink cap. Okay, now all these reports which I had of analysis, if I'll go to resonance, and these reports which I had, I can do an emotional healing by clicking on vibrate. I can do, suppose I'm going to give her the matured woman because she needs, okay, I was connected to Mac Healy. I am running a coherence program on my Mac Healy. Let me show you the Mac Healy. Okay, right now when I'm talking to you, I was running a coherence program. What is Mac Healy? Since it is opened, I'm going to cover it up. There is something known as Mac Healy, which is for your environment. Whenever I use the blue app, so in my one mobile, in my one app, my emotional healing would be going on. Okay, so when I'm clearing my aura, I'm clearing my thought pattern at an emotional level, I'm also energizing my environment. What is it, that program which I'm running now? Coherence. What does it mean? Coherence is basically channelizing my energy. I become a channel to talk to you. I am not Lena. He will convey his energy to me and I will pass the message to you what my audience wants to listen. Okay, that's coherence. Now, there is programs which is like your body programs. You can use Mac Healy for your environment. It works on your magnetic field. And when I click on cell harmony or your joints, okay, now I I was doing an analysis of Mac Healy for my mom. And when I did an analysis, the first program which came in was joints. And I asked my mom, I called up my mom and I asked, Mama, are you getting some joints pain? And she was like, yes, I am very bad from yesterday night. And I was like, pick up that Mac Healy. I've given her a Mac Healy. I only have a prana captured in Blue app. So I did an analysis in Blue app. And I told her, pick up that Mac Healy and run it. and she ran this program for 35 minutes. She was completely out of the pain. Imagine for your parents, you just need to do analysis sitting wherever you are. Now, tiredness, sleep, vitality, head harmony. My daughter, if she gets headache, she will start putting it in head. But wo head mein nahi lagana hai. It is the position where you need to put it. Okay. Now, if you're not able to, just keep it on the table next to you also. It still works. I have even tried that way. It's beautiful program which works on your environment. 3-meter diameter, 10 feet height. Now, all these programs, atmosphere programs, oh my God, one of the best programs. I can tell you, if there is a conflict at home, run Family Harmony. Beautiful program, Family Harmony. And atmosphere program doesn't have any time limit. As much you can run the Harmony program until and unless the battery goes off or the current goes off, it will keep harmonizing every corner of your house. Okay. As soon as Makili comes to you, it's very important, guys. You can't miss Makili at home. Never. Okay. Healy and Makili should go in together. Now, as soon as you get Makili in your house, make sure you run energy clearing. Don't start any other program without an energy clearing. Do this energy clearing in every hook and corner of your room. 3-meter diameter, 10-meter, 10 feet height. Us space mein, in that space, clear it 1 hour. 1 hour program. Once you have done it, come back. What are you feeling? What are you connecting with? Run that. I run prosperity program. Right now I'm in a program. So I am in presentation, so I ran coherence. But morning till evening, prosperity never, ever stops in my house. And depends upon what prosperity are you looking for. I'm looking for connecting with the right mindset people. And see, I'm connected with you. So, coherence, this is a program which I ran now. Coherence is channelizing your energy with the cosmic energy. Okay. So you become a channel. You will not speak what you want to speak. You will speak what he wants you to speak. You understand the difference? Yeah. So the and now electrosensitivity, energy clearing, electrosensitivity, any radiation impact. While your children are studying, put the study on the table. Can you see the study? Now there is a study program. Put it on that table. Relaxation. When you're tired whole day, run a relaxation program. Water activation, beautiful program. Morning when you get up, the first thing which I do is take the water bottle. We can change the molecular structure of the water by energizing the water, and just keep a 10 minutes program on the water. Whatever you connect with. Every day morning, I connect with a detox. What I do, bioenergetic detox, and I start the program. It would be a 10 minutes program which will run on my water, and once it is charged, 9 minute, keep it, run it. You get up from the bed, do your 10 random gratitude. This is my schedule every day. I do 10 random gratitudes. Before I start my gratitude, I keep my water bottle, I keep my Makhili for 10 minutes charge. That is a detox program. And then as soon as this 10 minutes is done, I might have finished my 10 random gratitude, and then I take it out, and then I drink the water. Okay. What exactly has happened? You will have a clean bowel movement. There won't be any negativity inside. Your water, if it has absorbed any negativity from the previous day inside your house, that also would be cleansed. Water carries memory. Our body is made up of 70% water. Now, frequencies get channelized. Water is a carrier to each and every cell of our body. So water is most important in our everyday life. Okay. Now use these programs, mental clarity, heart opening. Anybody whom you feel is very negative, it's not response in a very positive manner. Try out heart opening. Beautiful program. Purification, any negative energy inside your house and you feel your water has absorbed it, run purification of negative information. Run a sleep program next to you every day when you do it. Now, whatever you resonate with, it's self-explanatory. You can run it. Caroline McMicken program. Caroline McMicken is an NFL football healer. All the football players, like in India, we have IPL, in Europe, we have NFL. All the football players on the ground, when they get injured, they are never given injection or tablet. They are given frequencies to recover back. Now, each of these programs, basically, Caroline McMicken has collaborated with us. It will tell you where exactly you need to keep it. Now, this lower back harmony is literally saving me, I can tell you. From last 3 days, back to back meetings, I'm not getting up from my place. I am only running this lower back harmony, because when you sit, the back posture, I'm sitting for the long day without getting up. I had so much of meeting, so I just kept the Makili at the back, and I kept running it back to back, back to back, back to back, complete, gone. And it's like not less than a magic, I could tell you, but it's very scientific. It's the science which harmonizes your cell at that area in your magnetic field, and it helps you to resolve it. Woman care, beautiful program. Anything with periods, anything related to your urinary part, anything related to uterus, anything, it will help you like super. Vagus harmony and brain harmony is something Caroline McMicken suggests every day. You can't sleep without running these two programs. Every day at night, whether you get time to run any other program or not, promise me, if you have Makili, you will run Vegas Harmony and Brain Harmony. These two programs, the entire day, the stress what we have taken, it will flush it out. It will calm you. It will give you new ideas. It will take all that tension out of your mind. Try it out. It's beautiful. Okay. Brain harmony and Vegas harmony. You can't miss it out. Okay. Now we have beautiful meridian programs. These are the energy channels which actually connects each and every organ. We have some beautiful meridian programs. Okay. Connect with the person who has invited you to get into each and every more detailed. Okay, I have to rush, so I'm going to come out of it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect to pink app to show you the physical healing. What I just we learned about blue app, that is a emotional healing. We learned, okay, 1 second, it's again connected to my Mac healing. I'm going to close it. Okay. What we just learned, what the blue app, which is a emotional healing, the Mac Healy, which is your environment healing, the everyone in and around you will be getting that healing, chakra balancing, cell harmony, prosperity, every anything which you want, your children, your husband, everyone should get it. Just run it wherever they are. Okay. Now this is the pink app. Pink app is you need to wear wires. You need to wear wires and bracelet in your hand. Now this is the wire and the bracelet which you need to put in your hand, or you can use a watch which is known as high wave. It's high wave. The name itself signifies it's intense, right? It's the next level. Now what you need to do, go to the this one. It's doing a physical healing, 52 minutes. Wear the bracelet, or you can also use a watch. Okay, keep it in 80 to 100%, and it will directly work. It's very intense. It works on the inner membrane of the cell, and it's quite powerful. How the healing happens. Okay, so initial first week, I would tell you, use wires and then start using high wave. But in any case, you are not able to use wires due to anything. You have metal in your body, which where we don't allow to use wires, or if there is any kind of stents in the body, pregnant ladies, children below 12 years, we don't allow to use wires. At that moment, you can easily use a coil. Okay, coil or high wave. If you have a high wave, use high wave. Now, this is how the high wave works. You can see the frequencies is flowing. Now, can you see the 989 hertz? Every 10 seconds, that's changing. What does it signify? Anybody else who will be using purification, pure, is like purifying each and every cell of your body. Now, every 10 seconds, that hertz is changing. If I am using at the same time you are using, but the frequencies which is given to your body and the frequencies which is coming to my body is entirely different. Okay, so it depends upon your thought level, it depends upon your love matter, you depends upon your bank balance, it depends upon your emotions. It is an individualized, customized frequency. Okay, every person gets a customized frequency. That means every 10 seconds, if you can monitor that hertz which is changing. Okay, now initial 10 minutes, it is identifying in the 50-minute span, in the 1 hour span, initial 10 minutes, it is more about identifying where is the blockage. Now, next 30 minutes, it is more about harmonizing the blockages, harmonizing the cell, cleansing it, any regeneration, any nutrition, any flushing out of the toxins. It happens for next 30 minutes. And the last 20-15 minutes, what happens? It basically makes it stronger. It's more intense. It is more high intensity to make your cells much more vibrant, much more stronger. It's like sealing it with the harmonization process. So every moment there is a different level of frequencies in that 1 hour. So if you complete 10 minutes and you feel like ho gaya 10 minutes, leave it. No, it's like last 10 minutes is much more crucial than the first 10 minutes. But last 10 minutes, you can't do it without your first 10 minutes, right? So it's so much connected, right? So I'm going to go back, and I just came here to show you in that 1 hour, please make sure you drink water. 500 to 700 ml of water. It's a must, especially in the first week. You need to keep a gap of 2 hours. First week, take it slow. We don't want the body to be bombarded. Today, if you ask me, I take every 1 hour, I take back to back 5 programs from in physical. Nothing happens to me because my body is used to frequency. For you, if you are new here, please don't do that. Take it slow. Okay. Now, these are the joints program, stimulation program, anything which is coming in your learning and concentration. Beautiful programs which I've given it to my daughter, and I can tell you, so beautifully it has worked for her. You are going to listen to a testimony. Right after this, I will make you listen to the testimony. Fitness program, anything with your fitness where you need help. Job and sleep. Now, job and sleep, it's activating your parasympathetic nervous system, your sleep related issues, calming you down, literally calming you down, that you relax, positive thoughts, balanced nerve, activation. If any person who's going through extreme tension, give them extreme tension and then run positive thought. It's beautiful program for your emotional harmony, for your emotional stability. Job program, pure program, beautiful program, mental balance. It is beautiful programs for your emotional stability. Now, addiction, any kind of addiction, smoking, drugs, or watching porn movies, Netflix, any kind of addiction, even it is addicted that you're not changing your life every day morning, in spite of listening that so much of healing is there, you are not doing it. That's also an addiction. I will not change. That's an addiction to your old life, right? People get addicted to that old life. Inner strength, emotional well-being, feel good system, please run it. Inner contentment, somewhere the inner contentment is lost, and that's why the person is running to pubs and discos and alcohols, and just to get that contentment. Now, beauty and skin, it's not just the outer beauty, it is the inside beauty as well. Aging issues, anything related to the aging, your inner beauty, being more compassionate, being more kind, being more understanding, being there, love without judgment, that's coming with inner beauty. Bioenergetic harmony, one beautiful programs with taking care of your eyes. It's your, here you have programs even for your period related, matured women, women local. If these two programs you run, I can guarantee you, you will never take pills during that period, and also you will not come to know how it happens. Now, that's effortless it would be. Okay. Flexibility, nerve harmony, shiver, sensitivity, defenses for immunity stronger. The circulation, beautiful programs. Hormonal harmony, please run it. Any woman related program, any issues related to women related. Gastrointestinal, bacteria, tonsil, if anybody is going through cold, cough, fever, any infection in the body, please run this program. It is beautiful program at an organ level. Thyroid related, sciatica pain, joints, bone harmony, meridians, all these meridians programs are basically related to organ level. If you are issues with your lungs, liver, stomach, spleen, pancreas, nerve meridian, diabetes, sugar people, please run this program. Spleen, pancreas, just take a program of 39 minutes. Harmonize your spleen, pancreas, cleanse it, any toxins accumulated around that area, clean it. Your chakras, crown chakra, connect. connecting with God, connecting with, I feel God is inside me, and I feel God is connected to the person whom I am talking to. If that level of mindset you have, crown chakra would be activated. Third eye chakra, intuition would be very high. If you trust everyone around you, that means you don't have a trust related issues, your third eye chakra would be activated. Throat chakra, you are an honest person, you are not feeling fearful, you can express yourself, your throat chakra would be activated. Heart chakra, you feel the same love, amount of love what you have for yourself and what you have for others. It shouldn't be that you are loving only others. Solar plexus, your self esteem. If anybody tells you something, anything negative you hear, and your self esteem goes down, you feel bad. I know that solar plexus is down. If any person in my team come back and tell me, he told me that, that's why I'm not coming to the meeting, I understand the solar plexus is down. Sacral chakra, relationship. You can't accept the changes what you're seeing in your partner. Accepting the changes, relationship, sacral, root chakra, fear and insecurity. Will I be able to pay my bill? Will my rent would be done? Will I be able to get this? Will my needs would be fulfilled? Root chakra, fear and insecurity. Now, all these chakras would be activated when you work with healing. Bioenergetic defense, beautiful program. Whenever you are in midst of the people, run this. General protection helps you to create a creative shield around you to protect you from the outside world. We can't change the world. What we can change, we can protect ourselves. Now, geopathy, cell harmony, electrosensitivity is like radiation from the mobile. If it has impacted you, anything from the outside world has impacted your mental level, sleeping level. Your geopathy is the house where you are staying. If the vastu energy of your house is not correct and it is impacting your body, it will literally uh, create a blockage in you. This is a spiritual alignment. It's more about cosmic energy, coherence, and bioenergetic boost. But coherence is again the program you remember I ran from Makeli. It is exactly the program which you can run from to your body as well, so that your thought level, your emotions, your feelings is channelized with the higher purpose. Okay, so bioenergetic vitalization. How many of you know stem cell shots? Stem cell shots given by the doctors for the cell regeneration. It is an injection which cost around 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh as well. Now, if the celebrities use it for anti-aging, there are people who use it even for before surgeries. The doctor will advise to go with cell regeneration and try it out to stop the surgery. Each injections will be costing that. Imagine we are giving you a frequencies for the stem cell shots, and that's the program of regeneration 1, regeneration 2, regeneration 3. And then also people come and say महंगा hai. Seriously महंगा hai? Go and take those stem cell shots in the hospital. Go and admit yourself in one night in Apollo hospital. You will not find this महंगा. So now we have animal related programs, beautiful programs which are available now. This is specific to animal. I am an animal lover and I use these programs for them. Using coil, you can use a coil and keep it next to them wherever they are. Okay, if you are an animal lover, I will give you a special training on how to take care of animals without any side effects, without impacting them emotionally, without taking them to a vet. Only the yearly vaccination. Apart from that, you don't have to take your pets to a vet. Okay, please connect with me and I will give you a complete technical PDF on it. Okay, now well-being, your mind, body, and spirit. It needs alignment. It needs to be channelized. It needs to be connected. Your soul purpose. There is something your soul is craving for. Let's connect with that. Let's understand what is it. Mind Wave and Cell Wave is a beautiful program which has been introduced with High Wave, with your High Wave watch. And Mind Wave is taking out. I have run Mind Wave for myself. It literally helps for taking out all the stress, coming out with new ideas, calms you down. You will be grounded. You will be connected to the present moment. Your mind will not revolve here and there. It won't be any chaos. And Mindwave has worked beautifully for me. It also helps for emotional stability. Another program for emotional stability. Cell wave, it is basically a general circulation, your cell purifying it, cell integrity, vitalization, checking where there is any kind of regeneration required, yeah, grounding energy required, all that gets connected here. So I can keep on talking. Nutrition level, one of the beautiful program what we have. How many of you are aware that we keep eating organic food, we keep eating the best of the best, nuts, whole day fruits, and still we are stuck with the disease, still the weight is not reducing? Why? With all the intermediate fasting as well, because there is the nutrition which is required for the body with from your dal chawal, from your nuts, from your organic food is not getting absorbed. Imagine I run a minerals program and it helps you to absorb the minerals from the food what you're eating 100%. Can you just imagine this level of technology we have gone into, where you don't have to worry whether the food what you're eating is getting absorbed in the body or not? Healy will take care. So whether it's your minerals, trace elements, vitamins, blood check, weight, age related vitamins, impurities, women at your age after 35, 40 years, there is extra nutrition which needs to be absorbed. Your breath needs absorption, lifestyle needs certain nutrition, comfort, power of three, kapha, pitta, vata, doshas. Now all this would be actually got in here. Even there is any bacteria in your body, zapper protocol works beautifully. Any bacteria, virus in the body, please run zapper protocol. Conflict balance, if there is any conflict going on inside the house, inside yourself, there is some decision which you are not able to take, works beautifully. Soul cycle, you need to raise your confidence level, you need to work on your self esteem, you need to work at a courage level. Please run soul cycle, beautiful program. There is a confidence program, there is a inner balance, happy. Is your soul feeling that burden? Please analyze it. If you don't know what to run here, go and analyze the soul cycle in the blue app. It will tell you what you need. You don't have to run everything. What you need, check it up from the blue app and come here and run it. You will do emotional healing from the blue app. You will do the physical healing from the pink app. Okay. I'm not going to talk anymore now. I am done. And when you ask me questions, I will talk. Okay. Thank you so much. And अभी के लिए इतना काफी है. I feel 10 o'clock I told that I will stop it. 10 o'clock is my deadline because ज़्यादा information, I don't want to give any more information. All information would be given to you from the person whom you are connected. Okay, you will have lot of questions. Each and every person will have lot of questions. Okay, I would request our executive director Rajendra, if he's here. If he's not there, please call him because he is going to help me show some beautiful testimonies around. We are, oh, he's there. Okay, he's raised in hand. So we are going to have abhi itta bol liya. Show me who has got the result. Any proof if somebody has got the result, will show you the proof. Okay, and let me tell you, it was not it is recorded when they were speaking live. We run a testimony night every month. And this is the channel where we have millions of testimonies around on YouTube. You can go to Elevate Healing. It has more than 1.7K subscribers today and hundreds of testimonies here. You can go and read it. And is it really people are using out? People are really getting result? Please check it out.
Wasn't getting pregnant soon. We spent a huge amount on infertility
Okay, this
treatments
is
actually initially.
infertility treatment.
So
Infertility.
it was like more than 6 to 7 lakhs we have spent on infertility treatments, going to many doctors and trying many things. Nothing worked much well, and Pratima wasn't getting conceiving actually. So after a lot of trials, one day Sanjay sir recommended, we should try with Healy. So we took the Healy, and Pratima was using it religiously, regularly, without fail. So after 1 week or after 1 month of usage, she saw changes coming up in her body. All the basically, she has a AMH issue actually. So doctors used to tell me, for a normal woman to get pregnant, the AMH level should be something between 0.9 to 1.5 kind of thing actually. But her AMH level was like 0.015. So it is like 10 times or 15 times below the natural normal level of the AMH. And when I spoke to many doctors, both in homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, what all the treatments are available. So everyone told me that there is no medicine as of now in the world which is used to improve the AMH level. We can improve the quality, but AMH level cannot be improved. And without the AMH, it is anti-Mullerian hormone. She will not be able to get pregnant actually. Then with the help of Healy and Mag Healy, there are certain programs with Sanjay sir and Rekha madam, and we executed those programs on Pratima. And after we received this Healy in the month of August, and by September ending, we started to see a lot of changes coming up. And doctor was also surprised actually that the uterus
After 4 months, we conceived the pregnancy
After-
due to Healy.
with the help of Healy
With the help
and
of
some supplements
Ah.
with Sanjay sir.
Infertility issues, the person is seeing whether doctors have given the hope. It has never ever happened in the history that somebody with this report and this readings has ever conceived, and it happened with Healy. Okay, let's listen from the renowned Reiki healer from India, Kirtida Shah, what the
So
healers
requested
have
to
to
give a
talk
testimony
about.
again. I was thinking, which should I select? So the most thing which came to my heart was, I have a very, very close dear friend of mine. She's my student. She's my good close friend, and her mother is 100 years plus. And whenever the mother has any issues because of her age related, she doesn't have any diseases, but because of age related, the whole family will rush. When you're 100 plus, the family always will think, something chronic is happening means it can lead to something else, right? That is the mentality of us. So this last time, she called me and she said, I'm on my way. My mommy, papi called me, and my mother is having a severe back pain, the left side, near the heart chakra, the back side of between the shoulder blades. And what should I run? She's a Healy user herself. So she said, what should I vibrate, And she was so much in panic. I said, don't do anything, just vibrate deep relaxation program. And you just take the analysis and send it to me. The moment she sent the analysis, 3 times, it was the heart program which was appearing in different programs of the 5 analysis. So when that appeared, I said, don't take a chance, vibrate deep relaxation. After half an hour, it's only 29 minutes program. If it doesn't release, then you better call a doctor also. They said, okay, we have already asked the doctor to come. He'll be coming around 2 o'clock. By the time she reached home, within 2 minutes, she started the Healy program. Within 10 minutes, her mother was like up and above. She drank some water, and who was refusing food and everything. And
Thank
the
you,
whole family was around.
Rajendra.
She has a huge
Rajendra, thank
family,
you. We
right?
can move on.
And she was up.
So what you heard from is from the Reiki healer, how they are able to use with their clients Healy technology. Let's listen from a doctor. Do doctors are using Healy today? Let's listen at what a doctor is saying from Qatar, Dr. Ashish.
Tablets in my closet, and I use the Mag Healy for the whole night. And it's been 2 weeks time. I have no back pain, no renal colic. It's amazing. It's all gone. And the doctor is asking me, did you take the medicine? I said, yes, I took it. Where's your ultrasound? I said, I don't need ultrasound. I know that, this is cured. This is just for my kidney stone. Second thing is that, again, I have chronic acidity, and I keep getting it once in a while because I'm not very disciplined eating. Doctors are not, So again, when I had it, I used the Mag Healy for the Vegas Harmony program. I keep using this.
Okay, that's again Dr. Seema.
As a healer, I knew emotions and diseases are linked. But with this device, I said to myself, I cannot take care of my 60 trillion cells in my body. I cannot take care. But this device can. This device can. And thank you, universe, for blessing me with this divine device and my angels. And yeah, this is all from today from my side. Thank you so much.
Awesome. 60 trillion cells. You are expecting the doctor to take care? Possible? Let's listen from the ADHD parent, how beautifully she was able to.
मुझे हीली यूज करके 1.5 से 2 महीने हुए थे. पहले तो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, बट आई नो मेनी पीपल आर लाइन अप, तो मुझे थोड़ा शॉर्ट में ही कंप्लीट करना है. एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं क्योंकि मुझे रिजल्ट मिला है, तो डेफिनेटली आई वांट टू शेयर. तो उस समय बेबी स्टेप इम्प्रूवमेंट शिवाय में हुआ था. विद इन 1.5 इन 2 मंथ आई गेस, मुझे जो इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ था, मैं बहुत ही सेटिस्फाई हुई थी. उसके बाद ना मेरी लालच पड़ गई थी. मुझे लगा था कि अब मैं टेस्टिमनी तब दूंगी जब मेरा जो टारगेट है वो पूरा होगा. बिकॉज शिवाय वाज I believe that he was having autism. Now he's out of autism because there are many much improvement. Touch wood.
Autism. He was having autism. Now there is a doctor has called it out that it's a development delay, no autism. Can you imagine with Healy? Now let's listen from an 18-year-old child how it has helped her in her academics.
Mindset that what would this plastic dabba do? Like what kind of potential does this have? And I just started using it, and it transformed my life in terms of studies, and I have given a testimony on the studies part of it and how it has changed my life and brought my percentage from literally 50 to 92 in 10th standard. That is another testimony, so you can go check that out. I don't want to emphasize on that, but something happened last week that I've, like, ever since I was a child, it has been on my skin, my hands, my face, everywhere. And it's like asthma, so it's something that cannot get cured completely. It just keeps fluctuating. Skin swells up, it burns, there is like rashes everywhere, and it's a very miserable condition I am in. And last week we went to Kerala, and usually every time I go to my native Kerala has humidity a lot. So that is the time I get it gets all rashy and everything. And only when I come back to Bangalore, it gets cured. The climate does not suit me. And when I say hundreds, we have gone to hundreds of doctors to get treatment for this eczema disease of mine, applying creams, ointments, cure for this. And I not entertain it also at home. Not even a Dolo tablet, she likes medicine, eczema. And the second I woke up and I felt that, I told my mother, rashing, usual eczema, my face was swelled up, my eyes were swollen, there was bleeding, itch, to give me Healy. Usually she is the one who tells me, use Healy. But this time, suddenly, I don't know what thought I got. I was like, chalo Healy chala lete. And I did not do anything. I was like, Thika, I believe this is going to go. Let me just put Healy. And somewhere I remember that she told me to use Pure Program. Pure Program is good for skin. So I ran Pure Program, and within an hour, I am not exaggerating, my skin felt so much better. I felt so much relief. The itchiness went, everything went. After.
Thank you, Rajendra. And maybe another last one.
Will independently walk
than anybody on this call because and I just had a leap of faith and for my family. Could not breathe and need to do yoga, and still I don't get deep sleep. So about 4 years I've been suffering. I have sciatica pain. I stopped wearing heels. I can't go for long walks. I can't do my yoga the way I want to do. Too much of pain. So much so that the acid reflux in my body was so much, wherever you will tap in my body, I will start burping. And then one therapist told me, you stop coffee, you are now intolerant to lactose, you're intolerant to gluten and coffee. I'm like, what? I was never having any food imbalance. What is just happening in my life? And to top it all, having a recession kind of a thing in our business, which came after Corona, depression and anxiety to the top. 2 months into Healy last year, and I said, let me have a coffee with toast. Nothing. And I'm like, maybe this is a miracle. Let me try again. And I'm having rotis, I'm having puris, I'm having whatever I want. And I have no issues, absolutely. My sciatica pain has...
Super, fantastic. That I really want to hear the latest one on BP and sugar. Beautifully, she called it out. One last one, maybe. Yeah, yes. We can't hear.
words what to say. And this magic, we can't eat anything till Healy.
The share market,
and he is like having chronic 30 years of sugar, BP, and a little of creatinine issue from 15 years and all those things. As we all know, that allopathy is only managing the disease, whatever it is. So after that, he got a brain hemorrhage also in 2021. So things were not good till Healy entered my life. So when the Healy entered into our life, it is so I want to tell to each and everyone, for especially the sugar and BP part, which showed difference in just 4 days. Because in 4 days, what happened? BP, we reduced the medicine from 20 mg to 10 mg. That was a miracle for us because it didn't happen in this 30 years. Every time changing of medicines, this or that, or something or the other was going on in, as you all know, what happens in the allopathy hospitals. And the same happened with the sugar also. Sugar was also a chronic disease. Every time, he was restricted to eat things. And Healy is really, I'm very thankful to, this team as well as Healy. Healy has blessed my husband to eat whatever he wants to eat. And then see, once when we think that, we can't eat anything, a person who is healthy also becomes sick. That's what I feel. So when he was allowed to eat whatever he want, he was healed half of all of his, minus things, whatever was there in his life. So now with Healy, he has stopped the medicine of diabetes, which he was taking from 30 to 35 years. And after that, we have reduced the medicine of BP. Like BP and sugar is a common thing they call nowadays. It's not common. It's very dangerous. And we are very happy to, I don't have sometimes words what to say. And this magic has happened in my house. And after that, for the kidney issue, creatinine issue also, the Healy is helping a lot. The protein which was going out in the urine, which is not supposed to be. Of course, I don't have much knowledge about all these things. I'm learning with my husband's this thing only profile. So now that has also reduced. And main thing, he sleeps so well. Whenever he is sleeping, he's having, jabardast need. He gets up fresh. Even the constipation or whatever, digestive system has improved. A lot of things, small things which we get used to when a person is chronic with these type of diseases. And everywhere we go, same thing is, ये तो common है, सबके घर में है sugar BP. नहीं, sugar BP जो है वो it spoils the other parts on the body when we are chronic to these diseases and carry on taking the allopathy medicines. That is what we did for 35 years. But from 4 months only, I'm using the Healy, and Healy is showing tremendous results to me. And definitely, Sanjay ji, Rekha ji, and Ashwini ji are guiding me, and my husband
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
walking with
thank
the
you.
help of a stick.
Thank you, Rajendra. Thank you so much. I mean, whatever I wanted to say, you have heard it from the testimonies. And अब कुछ बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. One thing, if anybody has any questions, please raise your hand. I am there to answer now. कुछ भी दिमाग में चल रहा है, any clarification, any doubt, any little thing which is blocked, ऐसा होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये चलता है कि नहीं चलता है, इसको कैसे यूज करना है, anything which you have. Because in my mind also it was there when I saw this for the first time. Okay, so I clarified, I asked questions, I clarified. If you're not able to ask here, it's okay. You have to raise your hand. You have to raise your